So we're putting on our thinking caps here. This is a challenging practice. Arrange the digits to form 3 6-digit numbers that will round to 756,000 when rounded to the nearest 10,000. And here's the numbers you have to work with. 2, 5, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So one strategy we could have is to set up a place value chart. So we'll do ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and then 100,000s. So when we organize them, we kind of have a plan for where we can put the numbers. So we realize from the prompt that it has to be 756,000. So the first thing we thought about doing is moving that 7 over to the 100,000s. Next we were going to do the 5. And we know that this number here has to end up as a 6. So we're going to move this 5 here. Now we know this next number, it's really important that this next number is greater than 5. So we're going to move an 8, and the last two really don't matter in this case. So let's just check that. If you round this to the nearest 1,000, this 8 is going to tell this number what to do. If this number is 5 or greater, then this goes up to a 6, and then these numbers will all become 0. So we're happy with this as one option.
So we thought if we arranged the numbers in this order, it would work, and the order is 7, 5, 6, 2, 5, 2. This would work because when the number is 4 or less, the number right here will stay the same. But if it's greater than 5 or 5, it will move up. And then these two numbers here will just stay zeros.
So our two answers so far are 7, 5, 6, 2, 5, 8. And our first one was 7, 5, 5. What was it? 8.
2.
8, 6, 2?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's two answers there. We have to come with our third.
So for our third arrangement, we thought we could arrange the numbers in this way. 7, 5, 5, 6, 8, 6, 2, 8, for the same reason as the first one, because this number has to be greater than 5, and that tells this number to go up. So these were the 3 ways that we found, and so one way would be 755,862. Another way would be 756,258. And a last way would be 755,628. But we found that there's one more way, and that is if you just flip these two numbers and make it 755,682, it would work too.